Today, our group is here to present our latest project, which focuses on human cells. Before we begin, allow me to introduce my teammates. First, we have Noor Shafia, our group leader. Next is Audrey Kimberly, who served as the designer of our presentation. Then, we have Sarah Izati, the creative mind behind our poster. Finally, I am Isa Sofia and I will be delivering this presentation on behalf of my group.
You may be wondering what are blood cells. Simply put, they are dish-shaped cells in the bloodstream that transport oxygen throughout the body. Lacking a nucleus, they can carry more hemoglobin, the protein that gives blood its red color and binds to oxygen. Produced in the bone marrow, they live for about 120 days before being replaced. Moving on to their functions, red blood cells carry oxygen from the lungs to the body and return carbon dioxide to the lungs for exhalation. They also help regulate blood pH. Their dish shapes allow smooth movement through tiny vessels, while the lack of a nucleus provides more space for hemoglobin. So, what are the verifiable details regarding it? Here are some interesting facts about red blood cells. They transport oxygen from the lungs and return carbon dioxide for exhalation. Containing hemoglobin, which gives blood its red color, they are dishes for smooth passage through vessels. Without a nucleus, they can carry more oxygen. Produced in the bone marrow, they live for about 120 days, with millions being created every second.
Now that we covered red blood cells, let's move on to the close counterpart, white blood cells, also called leukocytes. They are vital to the immune system. Their main role is to defend the body against infections, fight harmful microbes, and clear away damaged cells. White blood cells, also known as WBCs, are key defenders in the immune system. They detect and attack harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. Some, like neutrophils, destroy threats directly, while others, like lymphocytes, produce antibodies or kill infected cells. White blood cells also help clean up dead cells, support healing, and can trigger allergic responses. In short, they act as the body's defense force, keeping you healthy and aiding recovery. White blood cells, to less than 1% of blood, are crucial for immunity, made in the bone marrow. They travel through blood and lymph to fight pathogens, produce antibodies, and clear damaged cells. Their level rise during illness, while abnormal counts may indicate health problems.
What are nerve cells, you may be wondering? Well, let's see what I've got to say about the definition.
Nerve cells or neurons are the nervous system's units that transmit messages via electrical and chemical signals to control movement, sensation, and thought. Each has a cell body, dendrites to receive signals, and an axon to send them, often sped up by a myelin sheath. At synapses, neurons use neurotransmitters to communicate. They are vital but regenerate poorly when damaged.
Moving on from its definition, let's see what are its functions.
Nerve cells are essential for communication in the body. They transmit electrical and chemical signals, receiving and processing information from sensory organs or other neurons. By sending messages to muscles, glands, or neurons, they control movement, sensations, thoughts, and emotions, enabling the body to respond and adapt effectively.
We are now jumping off to its functions and jumping to its specialty.
Nerve cells or neurons are remarkable for their rapid transmission of electrical signals, enabling precise communication across the body. Their specialized structures, dendrites and axons, support this efficiency through their limited ability to regenerate, making preserving them vital for movement, thought, and memory. Through complex networks, they form the basis of all brain and nervous system activity.
Did you know that your body produces around 25 million new cells every second? That means in just 15 seconds, you create more cells than the entire population of Malaysia. That is all from our group, and I appreciate the effort my fellow made and given to do this project. Signing off from my group as I bid farewell.